of the Philippines Diliman.
Hello, good morning. I am Joseph Vladimir Esteliore, and I'll be presenting on behalf of our project head, Professor Eduardo Magdalena Jr., both from UP Diliman. So our project is Prime Composite Prostheses. So to begin, only 8.2% of Filipino amputees use prostheses. So this came from a 2010 report by Dr. Bondok from UPPGH. And they're still updating their report after they finish their medical missions. Kaya outdated pa. So, out of the 8.2% that has prosthesis, they still encounter many problems using their device, such as cracking of the socket and bone and muscle stress while using the device, and recurrent detachment of the foot, and also pure walking cycle or performance. So the prosthesis you can see on the screen is made of polypropylene or pure plastic. And what we can do to solve this problem is to utilize our local materials and locally available manufacturing methods to manufacture our own parts and components for the prosthesis, while making it more affordable for indigent Filipino amputees, and also improving on its properties. So, what we did was just took a list of all the locally available materials and did material selection and incorporated it into the design. And also we partnered with CPO or Certified Prosthesis to fabricate the prosthesis. So PGH and private workshop. So this is the overview of the device. You can also check the one in the program. So specifically, we'll start with the socket, so the one on top. So we will incorporate natural fiber or mix natural fiber with carbon fiber into a reinforced composite. So it solves the problem of cracking of the socket, and it's also more affordable because we replace most of the carbon fiber with our locally available natural fiber. And it's also cheaper than pure carbon fiber or glass fiber. So same with the pylon or tube, we use reinforced composite, carbon fiber and natural fiber to create the tube. So it is also lightweight, just like the more expensive titanium alloy tube, and is more accessible. Then for our manufacturing method is vacuum infusion, which is readily available here in the Philippines. Then for the foot, we just use a satch foot, a mixture of rubber and wood, which is more energy efficient than plain wood. So the return of investment, again, the materials are locally manufactured with locally available materials. So we will avoid importation, and they are more accessible throughout the country. And then, so accomplishments. So we have done one prototype, one from my undergraduate project thesis, and we have found out that the mechanical properties of our device is very much comparable to the very expensive high-end prosthesis that private manufacturers offer. So our patient is 89 kilos, and our device was able to support and let him walk again. So also we did clinical testing, and he compared it to the cheapest prosthesis given out by PhilHealth, and he said that the prosthesis we made was more comfortable and more lightweight, and as we have tested in our mechanical testing, has better properties than the pure plastic prosthesis I showed in the previous slides. So currently we are still in our pre-commercialization stage, so we will still make more prototypes, and what we need is maybe more collaborators or more people or companies who are willing to provide testing or fabrication for the prototypes. So what's next is syempre after pre-commercialization is commercialization, which my professor, hindi nakalimutan niya i-mention sa akin kung ano yung next. Anyway, ito, just a last slide, just to show, compare our product, the one natural fiber carbon fiber prosthesis. So we plan to be the mid-range option for indigent Filipinos. So yung 15,000 yung pinaprovide ng PhilHealth na okay, last sentence. May many problems, tapos usually 1 year lang lifespan. Tapos yung sa amin, parang mid-range option siya to the high-end na sobrang mahal na pure carbon fiber na 5 to 8 years yung lifespan na pwede rin ma-attain nung sa amin na locally available and locally fabricated. So no importations. Sana.
Thank you very much. That's University of the Philippines Diliman. Our next one would